Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again today with another great amazing tech video. Well, today is Thursday and I thought that let us just throw a video of a Throwback Thursday, which it's gonna be really cool. Remember back in the days where does it make sense? Well, back in the days we used to use MP3 players before iPod came, or before iPod showed up. There are really amazing MP3 players, and iPod showed up, and iPod Shuffle, and many kind of devices from back in the days.
There it is, right there. So, this amazing little device holds 1,000 songs, and it goes right in my pocket.
But today I have something iconic which captured me, and I thought that let me share with you guys and see what's happening. So so this is called the MP3 player. Remember this kind of button player where you just you keep the battery inside, and you can even dongle the USB inside so as you can access, or you can keep your music inside here. It's really amazing, and I got this. It's from back in the days, man. Just check out the box, just check out the way it is. It's just remind me those kind of vibes throughout back in the days. And I think this is my first time holding this kind of MP3 player, which is a brand new one. I had something like this, but it was a little bit different. But this one, it's really iconic. So we're gonna just unbox this kind of bad boy and see what's packed inside, and we check it out and we see the thoughts, because it's a Throwback Thursday and it's a retro, or bring it back to the oldies, and it's just really awesome. So let us just unbox this kind of bad boy and see what's packed inside. This is a digital MP3 player. As you can see, it shows you the functionality which it does. You can see it has MP3 WMA format. It has digital voice recording into WAV and ACT format. It has a built-in FM radio, which is really great. It has a 20 preset FM stations. It has USB 2.0 full speed flash drive, and you can even install your phone book inside, which is really great. It has a multi-language support. It's a pocket-sized plug and play, and it has an AB repeater learning function, and you can even upgrade the firmware, and it has 7 backlight colors on function. So yeah, this is just awesome. You can see the box the way it is. It tells you Lightwave, which it's great. I've been searching this kind of Lightwave, but I didn't get it online. But this is the model number, the MP111, which it's great, and the company is called Lightwave. So this is the product. Now let us just unbox this kind of product, because it pumped me. Whoa, that's cool. Just check out. This is how back in the days we used to unbox the product. So you can remove your product. So this is our digital MP3, man. It's really good. Reminds me of this kind of vibe of this button. You can remove it here and dongle on your PC to copy the music, and this has a 256 capability of storing your music. So 256 MB from back in the days, this was very big storage. And another kind of stuff you can remove here throughout installing the battery. So this is a brand new MP3. It's just new, man. It's just new out of the box, and it's just amazing. Remember this button? It's really cool, man. It takes me back throughout the days. Another kind of stuff on the box. What do you get? Let's see, because I'm really pumped to see what's inside the box. So since nowadays Windows comes with the drivers inside, well, you just don't need this one. I'm gonna keep it aside first. And another kind of stuff, you're getting some paperwork in here. Whoa, you're getting another extra disc. What's this disc for? Let's see, man. This was really amazing, right? So this, it's called driver process for the MP3. I think this you side load it so as you can insert the music, but we're gonna test it and see if it's gonna be showing up throughout our machine, because back in the days Windows, especially Windows XP, usually used to side load these drivers. You're getting a paperwork which showcase you how you can use this MP3. It's a really great thing to know how you can use it. And this the paper, man, this paper is old. very old MP3 player quick guide, which it shows you how you can use your MP3 player, which is great. And another kind of stuff, you're getting another paperwork in here, which this kind of paperwork, yeah, it just says important, read this, format your player with FAT standard. So this MP3 player uses FAT standard, so you have just to format it in FAT standard so as you can use it. And another kind of stuff, this is another what is it called, this is a disposable. Okay, no worries. And we're left with nothing on the box, so that's our unboxing of the MP3 player. So we're going to install the battery inside here, because I've tested this battery of Energizer, but what happened, this kind of MP3 here, remember, they usually eat battery like crazy, crazy. Just insert the battery, you can see that it says starting, so just give it some time, it's because it's booting up. When done, we're gonna check out what's packed. But just know that this kind of digital MP3 from back in the days, they were usually called the battery eater. So as you can see, that's how it works. So this is the system, this is telephone, so you can insert your telephone in here, you can browse your contacts, man. It was really dope. Another kind of stuff, this is an FM radio, so you can search your FM radio depending on what you want to. And when you want to like save, you can exit, you can do bunch of stuff in here, which is really good. You can even delete, and you can even, I think, record. You can record sound in here, so you can even listen or record, and it's just impressive throughout here. It's just, how do I go back? Let me, oh, you hold this button, you hold this navigation, so you just press it, you hold it, it will take you back. Another kind of stuff throughout here, what's this function? I don't remember this function. Is it for the record too, or what's happening? Let me just go back. And another kind of stuff, that's record, and this is music. So on the music side, when you press music, if you just have music or local folder or root, and you can play the music in here, and it was really amazing. You can see that Smack That remix. I don't know why this kind of music was there. Whenever you get this kind of MP3 player, it's just incredible. It's just Smack That by Icon. It's really iconic. So yeah, man, I to be honest, I'm just speechless. You know, when you get these kind of MP3s from back in the days, the retro-ish, they remind you through different scenarios, especially the days whereby there were no smartphones. We used just to use the button phones. These were so much legit. They accompany us so much. So for the kids who are like 2000, or I can say the kids who are like yeah, 2000 starting going forward, they were so legitimate to us. They were like accompanied throughout us. These ones, and even the shuffle. You remember the shuffle? Yes, the iPod shuffle. This was accompanying us throughout listening to the music, or even keeping your recording, or a lot of stuff. It's just incredible having this kind of MP3 player. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. It's really amazing to visit the retro from back in the days and experiencing it, and it's really awesome. You can see I'm using the modern headphones of nowadays, the JBL 201, and it's just sync perfectly. The music is just good. So let me know in the comments down below, what's your memory lane throughout the digital MP3 player. To be honest, for me, it reminded me on carrying a lot of batteries, and it reminds me the way I had to go far away just to install music on this bad boy. It was really costing a lot of money to keep music in here, because you know the studios, they had to charge you a lot of money to just keep the music inside here. But nowadays life has become more easier than before, because we have the technology, which is more bigger compared to back in the days, the way technology was just coming up. So it's really incredible, and it's just wowed me at the first glance. I saw it, I was like, damn, I need this to review it and share with you guys the experience. So for the kids who are 2000, this is an MP3 player from back in the days. Yes, it's like a flash drive. Yes, it uses the battery. Yes, it's a battery eater. Definitely, it's just a battery eater. It eats a lot of battery and you'll run out of the battery and you start minding. If you're a 2000 kid, obviously you'll buy it. But if you're a 90s kid, you know the vibe. This is something dope. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of today. If you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I'll really appreciate on that. Up to on the next one guys, I'll be catching you there. That's what's up guys, and I'm signing out and peace.
There it is, right there. So, this amazing little device holds 1,000 songs, and it goes right in my pocket.